Razablade TV. Entertainment in 3D.
Dog, say you could sleep in a bad man.
Yeah, man. We got to work already, you know.
Dog, I told that feel weak in a chopper.
And we just start.
Eh,
Hold on.
rough.
That look like player number 3.
God.
So much, you know? Let me see. Let me come on, you know.
Listen to what, man.
Yeah, baby. Don't trust me, come in here and me busy. You know, come look for me. Sure. Victor's for the skin. Make girl weak. Oh god. Finally ready for touch the road. Oh god. Ah.
Hey baby.
Yo!
Where you going to for?
Sheena, don't tell me say you that.
Where you going to for?
Sheena.
Me you can't live. Me you can't live. Where you going to for?
You're broken at my workplace, you're broken at my house, you're broken at my grandmother's house and look for me.
Because I'm here meant to be, stop going like say me you can't live. You don't know say I'm here there forever.
Babes, just cool, man. Look, you hear me
What
I
do
call
you
you
mean
babes, you hear me I call you babes.
Where
Why
me
you do that?
Fool.
You hear me I call you babes now?
You know some of them sit down and wait for you.
Sheena, me never want you to wait for me, Sheena. Give me no want you wait for me, we
No
done.
man, I mean for the you know so we meant to be everything we can't live to the
Sheena.
end like Chucky. Me love you to the moon and back.
Sheena, tree.
All the one you go on and know say I'm me and you for there. Calm down, relax.
Sheena, a 3 year now, me I tell you say we done. What part are we done?
We not done nothing like me you can't live, me you can't done. Done which part? Where you talk about? Eh?
Sheena, where you reaching at the car?
You don't know how it go already. I love you. Anywhere I for see you, me I go see you. You can't run for me, you can't live. For that me I tell you.
Sheena, you never get back that sticky again.
I have to get it back on my own and me it belong to. If me can't get it, nobody else can get it. And my own, me and you forever, me and you.
Alright, come babes, come on at the front. You want me to go up on the road?
Yes.
Alright, come on. Come.
And that's how I love you saying now.
Come on the front.
That's how I love you saying now. No, same love me no. Watch me and him. Babe, fix your face. How your face look, sir? Eh?
Tell us, you know my babes not
You're not happy for see
a
me?
3 year now, me I left you and you come like you can't live.
Me you can't live. Take time now where you're going to from and I tell you that already and I don't know say me you can't live. If me can't get you, nobody else can get you. You don't know that already?
Wait, hold on. See a man there sell coconut, you see him?
Yeah.
Hold on, no more. See a man there sell coconut. Me I go up on the road, since that you want.
You buy coconut for me, babe?
Yeah, man, we go drink.
Oh God, that's nice,
Yeah, go and go buy 2 coconuts.
Seriously, baby, you make up for me,
Yeah, man, we feel like a time before we get back.
We're not too long look older.
Come on, man.
Time to buy coconut.
Yeah, go on and come.
Take time now, we are going to for me.
Sexy, put him on, you're fucking yeah.
After I'm not seeing a coconut. Love make you blind, silly out. But I still love him. Wait for me. Oh boy.
There. Oh man. Let me see your face.
Oh well.
You look better than what you look on Instagram.
You look good too. Your father did a good job.
Yeah. Hey, at 8 months now, I'm single, you know. So my hair like ride me, you know. Sexy, you know. Watch this. Better.
Bye, Clive. Alright.
Clive.
Where do you forget some name Peter?
So, when you go second?
Second? What alone second my dog.
No. Mother ass, man.
Can you tell me what time?
Check your watch.
The watch now work.
Get a working one.
Hey! Still one what time in my G?
Check your phone.
Well, even know some have phone, but not on the phone.
Anyway, at 10:30 now, we go to. Why you start me?
No, start you.
You been a start me? I see it in the store.
Sorry about that.
Where you really want, sir?
Your phone number.
I think you say you don't have no phone.
But just find this in the store. Just a while.
Really? Let me
Yeah.
see it. What a way you just find phone and your picture up on phone screen already. You're one of them professional thief there. Thief! Thief!
Hey. Just calm down, no, man. Let me get your phone number, no, man.
Cheese, what one?
You know who me attack.
Baby, man around there.
Don't tell me no lie.
What, baby?
Don't tell me no lie. You see how no man stay? No wicked, you very wicked. A good woman, the man have around there, you know. And you don't want to let me around there. You know what? Me I go around there.
No, I'm not.
around there.
No, me I tell us
If they're around there, me know say him around there. Me
No, what you know? Me I tell us him around there.
You know say a lie do. A girl him around there with you know.
I know him.
Him around there.
Why you around there? What? Yo.
You know what saying I stay good? It's alright. Tell him to call me, yeah?
I make him know what I want. Way dog do make you yell at my mother by himself. No way dog I use. Yo, where did the bad man?
In the room, why you push me so far?
Girl in the round there with you. No. Yo, don't tell me no lie dog. I girl just come around and sign a violation.
Who that?
You mean by who that? You
Vanessa?
know who? Which Vanessa? Brittany.
Oh, she. What she say?
You mean by we say a bag of thing. A girl in the round there with you.
No, brother, me alone round there, brother. Stop telling me I'm going round there.
But what do you mean a pre in the dog?
Oh, God.
What you do? Second?
No.
I second.
You're mad?
Oh.
Youngster, no second.
You know, fam. And a cake cleaner.
Yeah. You want to go back and see it, my child.
Make sure, you know.
say Saloni buy BMW. I get BMW, I don't know which one.
Yeah, talk about that at the week, see.
Everybody talk about the girl, we talk about the car. I know she had enough of way, so some of we are walk foot.
Talk truth. But babe, on a serious note though, after everything we talked about today, I didn't hear you mention once anything about kids.
Between me and you, I'm just like I say this once. You can't just forget the argument there.
Okay.
Just please.
Okay.
Alright, we just talk about something else, yeah?
So this is my room.
Oh, hey room. Hey, make sure you're not a man under your bed, you know, cause you know you two go woman yard, you know.
No babe.
Oh yeah, beat me up.
I never do that to you.
Tell me something else you wanna know.
I'm gonna have a show you come here.
Of course. You know what I'm saying? It was the right way. Hey, I mean, when you come go and like say, you feel like say, that can't hold me.
Babe, you're already tired. You know I got this.
You're full of yourself too much. You're full of yourself too much. What do you mean, still? I don't feel like I want to sleep, so we can talk early in the morning. You don't mind me asleep on your pillow. We'll be someone on your favorite. God.
What you do? You can't stay here.
What? Babes, at the first night I stay, what do you mean? No, you can't be out.
Babe, you don't live that far.
Babes, I was a man and I must have that tree now, you know?
Let me see the time. Babe, it's just 7 o'clock.
Babe, state of emergency.
It's
Most
8.
wanted people out there.
Babe, it's not that late. You have to leave. Curfew starting in an hour.
So you know, stay and then you curfew me.
You can stay over the second time, not tonight.
No, you give me something good enough.
You know you love me.
You sure you don't want somebody if you're going to fight off it? It means them in the house and what's and everything.
Babe, I'm good.
Babe,
Babe.
you know me can stay over and you know me are bad people, you know. Nobody can trouble you in the house at night, no. And thing.
Relax, man. You can always come back tomorrow.
You sure? You know I nothing do you at that time, I think I try to show you.
I'm good. I'm good, babe. I know you just want to stay because you want more, but I'll see.
Baby, who don't want more?
Baby, I need to rest. I'll talk to you.
Don't put the rest in. Make sure you
Call
calm
me.
me, you know. Make sure you calm me.
When you reach home,
I love you.
I love you too.
Love you more.
You sure about that?
Yeah.
Alright.
You sure you know mistake?
Love you.
Alright, yeah. Yeah, man, ready now?
Yeah, man, ready up for you, girl, let me know.
Oh, man.
Yeah. No, ready up for you, girl, let me know that.
Ready.
Yo, ready, you know, but
Oh, yeah, man, ready, man. Yeah,
girl,
man.
them time now, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Hold on, I'm sending the next text.
I'm not bad, man, we have a belly if you go tap in here, you know, man. I mean, man.
Wait, no, brother, I'm sending I said no, man.
Come down. I take too long charge you, what go on?
I love you too.
Yo! You talk about love your dog? Now belly if you go tap in a dog, what you talk about? Kind of love thing you talk about, bad man? You ready, dog? And what do you now move right in the dog? A big girl tell me say, yo, you not link them in a charge. What go on? I know you're there upon phone and tell girl about love and back a thing in a bad man. Where you do?
You deaf so me no fall in love, brother.
Love your father, man, bad man. A girl pre with a pan dog. Her belly go tipping her right now.
Hey, yo. You know what say you have to go drive go the door? You go link somebody for a taxi.
Tell me say,
Yo, you have to go drive, dog, see kid.
dog, but emotion.
You want to know the link here? What?
Dog, okay. How is this?
Babe,
Yeah.
I want to talk to you about something.
Alright.
Something I know you really don't want to talk about.
Baby, you're not getting no threesome with no next man.
Babe, I'm for you and you alone. That's not it.
Yeah, better.
So, do you want to have kids?
Oh, you know some never want that, but
Babe, the one time I brought it up, you completely shut me out.
yeah, maybe. Want some kids, probably one.
That doesn't sound like you're sure.
I want to yes, eventually.
Eventually.
Alright, baby, me just confess to you. You see, back, yeah, my far past. I never have no father around. So, the years of my life, I did have this person, be the father figure and mold me into a type of person. I spend most of my life with just the mother alone. So it's just a thing where, I don't know, I'm skeptical when it comes to having children because I don't want to walk in the same path the way I walk. And I like it really responds sometimes, say, yo, him never present. And then you see how my thing did go. We did very wild. You see me, and if I never you would come out like wildness. So if I never you would have a 5 baby mother right. You see them way there?
Right. Alright, me go do this. Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm pregnant! I'm pregnant! I'm pregnant! Jesus! I'm gonna call babe. Babe? Babe, I really need to talk to you. I have good news. Babe, can you come over tonight? Okay, you need to come early tomorrow because this can't wait. Alright, babe. Pregnant.
Babes, yo.
What just said?
Babes,
Babe, no.
Valentine's already gone, So if I know you choose to give me some babes, you have to do that.
Babe, this is going to change your life.
Change my life? You give me $1 million?
Maybe.
Yo, alright.
You peeking?
No, me can't see nothing of this, fam.
You sure?
Babes.
Alright.
Come here again.
So, you know I love you, right?
Yes, babe, you tell me every day.
And you love me?
I love you so much.
You sure?
Yes, babe, cross my heart, hope for dead, Jesus, dead for his sins, for the little children, something like that.
So I have a surprise. And
Babe. You're nervous, you're shake. Babe?
we'll get to it. After I put this in your hand,
Yeah?
I'm going to remove the blindfold from your eyes and then you can see what it is.
Babe, you don't have to give me no money, you know, babe. Like, come on.
Babe, just remember, I love you.
I love you too. You tell me so much you have left me?
No, babe.
Alright, let me calm down.
Alright. Okay, open your hand.
Both of them?
Just one.
This guy wanna work for money, babe.
Come, just trust me.
Alright.
Alright.
Babe, this feel like a thumb drive. Babe, this feel like a thumb drive.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm born ready, come on.
Alright. Open your hands. Babe, you're not happy? You're gonna have a mini you and a mini me? Babe, why you look like this?
Fuck.
Baby, why are you not happy?
Babe,
I thought you'd be happy for this.
well, I know. What this mean? It means that you have a baby.
Babe, we're having a baby.
No, me not. Babe, me not. You sure you're not prank me?
Babe, this is not a prank. I'm serious. You see the lines?
You make me nervous. Oh,
Babe, I'm happy now. We're having a baby together. You know what this means? We're starting our family finally.
baby, sure.
Babe, I'm ready.
Yeah, but
Babe, you don't look happy. Why are you looking like this?
babe, come, sit down and let me talk to you. Babe, I know oh my god. I know I'm burst your bubble, but I know. Oh god, I know I'm gonna say this to you, babe. You promise me you're not gonna vex.
Babe, what are you talking about?
I know. I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready for this.
What do you mean you're not ready?
Babe, I'm not ready to be a father.
Didn't you know that this could happen when we were having sex?
Yeah, but me think I'm gonna pull out.
Oh, you thought you pulled out. Well, this is happening.
Baby, when you conclude this? Yesterday?
I did the test last night, and that's when I called and told you that I have something important to tell you.
Baby, it kinda not too late for it. It kinda not too late for it.
To do what?
Baby,
Don't even say anything. I hope it's not what you're implying right now.
you don't believe in a
What?
you don't believe in a
No, this is. Are you joking?
Baby, just not feel ready. You can't kill me for that.
You're not ready? Well, I am ready. Ready or not, he or she is here.
Baby, shoot me now. Oh my god, yo, I tell you, you know. Babe, can't.
I thought this would be a good thing.
Babe, look here. Me I think about this, look where. We can't have the baby. We can't have the baby. Babe, we can't have the baby.
No,
Babe, we can't have the
you're
baby.
not serious
Babe,
right now.
Listen.
Don't
Listen.
touch me.
Listen. We can't have the baby. We can't. Oh my god, we can't have the baby. Oh my God. When you say you find out this yesterday?
I found this out last night, and
So
I thought,
you have signs before you
I
say never
thought
tell me
you
nothing?
would be happy about this, and you aren't. And you're really hurting my feelings.
Baby, listen.
How are you going to do this to me?
Yeah, me just not. I feel like me go do a good job in the father role, babe.
Baby, do you think that I can do this by myself?
I'm not cut out for that. And you did this as much as I did this. No.
Let me tell you where I go already when it comes to the word. Father thing never did it for me. I just feel like I have to wait till me more mature in the state of mind for oh God.
Babe, I know what your dad did. And I know you wasn't there. But you're not him.
No, but we don't know why if I can't, why if me have so much thoughts in my mind, like why if I can't stand up and be that person the way him would want me to be or where you would want me to be.
So you're saying to me because you cannot stand up to your responsibility that I'm to put myself through an abortion? Is that what you're saying to me?
No.
You need to get it together because I cannot do this by myself. I did not do this on my own. It takes two.
I'm ready for this, babe.
What am I going to tell my mother?
Tell her what?
That I got pregnant and I'm supposed to have an abortion because you can't fulfill your promises to me.
You may never know it to the right like this, but think that they're on my side. Maybe just don't want to feel as a father.
Baby, but I don't think you're going to feel. I think you would be a good dad.
As a father, yo. You sure you want me as a child's father, babe?
Babe, we're in this together and we started this and we can also continue on the path and it might be rough. I'm not going to say it's going to be easy, but we can get through this, you know? We can get through this without an abortion. Babe, I don't believe in abortion.
Well, babe, so much things, so much thoughts, so much. Oh my God. Oh, so much things in my mind right now. Babe, I don't like when I cry. Please.
It hurts my feelings.
Babe.
I thought you'd be happy for.
Babe.
I thought you'd be happy for this.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Babe, I don't know how this is going to work out, you know.
But you say you love me.
Oh, so how much weeks you feel like this reach?
Well, I just think it's like a month, 4 weeks.
1 month?
I need to go to the doctor and stuff. But I'm pretty sure I'm very far along because I missed my period.
Baby, so you never tell me them things until now.
Because you know my period is up and down and I didn't suspect anything.
Yeah, so look at me inside of you.
Yes,
You sure?
I'm positive.
You're not prank me.
I'm not pranking you. I wouldn't do that to you.
You feel like you might be a boy or a girl.
Babe, I think it's going to be a boy.
Real?
Yes. You're
Oh my
happy?
God. Look at Tyro. Look at Tyro. Oh my God. Babe, I'm sorry.
You're going to get through this with me. I don't want to do abortion.
I'm not gonna make you do the abortion. Baby, I have one little me.
Babe,
I get the chance to be
follow.
better than what my father ever do. Baby, sure?
No.
You're sure?
Babe, we got this.
Fever. Yeah, man, we're happy. We're happy. Oh my God.
Bye.